Exercise 16. A museum charges $8 admission for adults and $5 for children. The total cost for a group of A adults and C children to be admitted to the museum is $150. Which of the following equations models the situation? Okay, so we know that it charges $8 per single adult. Since we will have A adults, all these combined paid a fee of 8 times $8 for all adults together. Similarly, each child ticket is worth $5 per child. Here, however, we bought C children tickets. So they paid a total of 5C for all the children. In total, for both adults and children, we paid 8A for all adults and 5C for all children. But we were told that this amount would be equal to 150. So that's the equation we can create from this given info. 8A plus 5C equals 150, which means that the right answer for this question would have been A.